Welcome back to the Mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about something that's really important, and it's a learning process. And I guess you guys would need to listen to this video to understand what I'm saying. Now, she's talking about marriage and being with someone. She's saying that to live in a family house with your spouse is not a good thing at all times because it could be a fact where you will have to you would spend your money basically for everything that you need, buy up your furniture, buy your this, your that, and then you end up have to leaving it all behind because the person is going to take it because it's their house and whatever. But if it's because it's a family home where, the mother lives, the father, sisters and brothers and everybody else. So, an extended family. So when you live there with your spouse, it's kind of different than having living on your own. So she's saying, she's given this advice to women. She's saying, whenever you have a man that lives in a family home, do not get married to him until he's able to move out and to live on his own. Because if you get married within a family home, it's harder for you. Or if you're in a relationship and you buy up your stuff and whatever, it's harder for you to move them and everything. So you have to, choose to be with someone that's independent, somebody that's going to be on their own. They're not living with family. That's what she's saying. And that's a great advice for real. Um, it's better for you to have someone that's living on their own. No, you don't want to be back and forth with family of that person. You want to ensure that, whatever is going down between you and that person, because sometimes your mouth is going to meet. You're going to talk, you're going to have disagreements, and you don't want family to be in your disagreements. So what she's saying is correct. And I just want to hear your comments. I just want to hear your thoughts in the comment section to see, if you think that Marcia is right about this, and listen to what she has to say. Be very keen and understanding and leave your comments. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that when I post, you know about it. And have yourselves a wonderful morning.
When I'm going against God's word. At the same way the church behave with me over Portmore, they open up almost every day. You understand? I don't believe in no church open up 7 days a week. I want to do they doing all kind of stuff. I really don't. Yes, what I tell you? And that was the day. And I pack up my things. I may have one shoes. I may look for my shoes, people. I have my shoes. I may look for my shoes. Could I find 1 foot? And when I went back almost a year after for serving in divorce paper, me see him come, we find your shoes. And I say, go take it and fling it up on your mama blood clot. Me say, give who what kind of shoes? Me couldn't find one of my shoes because they couldn't get me because me too fast. I just pack up my car and go, my sister. You understand? That time I invest a lot in that house. I had a mattress sleeping on. I couldn't sleep on it. I went to Spanish Town. I bought me a nice mattress for $50,000. A pillow top. I bring down 145 inches TV. I bring down my curtain. Remember saying, no, we plan to get an apartment now, So we plan to do all of that. We now get one bedroom set, make her. We say, okay, rent a place. If I go on a farm working program, I'm coming back and forth. We can have our own place. Yeah, that is it, So when I walk out today, I was supposed to go back for my stuff. My police friend was like, go back for it. And my sister, them say, left it. Make them go on with it. $50,000 I pay cash at this bed place in the Spanish Town Mall. In the mall where you go buy the buffet. With the food where you can sit down and eat, right? So I go buy a mattress, a pillow top, because, then the time my back was bothering me. With my herniated disc and them something. So I bought me a nice mattress. So them down at Jamaica, I lie down on that ass. My TV, my carry down television, it was like, they own a bathroom over the side or whatever. It's a big house. All of them. And people say, Marcia, go back for your things. Them, I take them back. And them have it. Them have it using it. So let me tell you something. I learned from my mistake, people. So I'm just letting you, woman, don't invest in no house until your husband come out of your family house. Because you see, if you want to break up, I them all get it. Because you not gonna have no time to go down and go move out of things them. And maybe if you go there, if you try to move out of things, them set you up. So my advice is to you is to try to come out of your house. If you know your husband work, try to come out of them family house. They're not married to no man. If them still living in them family house, it's not gonna be easy. You understand? It's not gonna be easy. Do not marry no man. You're not gonna have no privacy. They're always going to want beg you. They're gonna watch you. Me don't want nobody to watch me. Me love my privacy. You understand? I love me don't want anybody come and watch me every time you're going out. You care about something for me. So every trip you go out, you want something. Every trip you go up on the road, you want something to care about for you. And if you don't care about his vexation, I'm not obligated to care about nothing for nobody. I'm not obligated if I come down from America. She had that problem. Me come down and she feel like say I was gonna come down and carry a suitcase of clothes and give her. Like every trip you make, you're supposed to carry something. She come a foreign too, and she carried down like 3-4 barrel. I went down a month after. Me carried down my barrel because I'm gonna stay down there for a while. So I carried down my barrel with my food, whatever I wanted. The woman vexed with me. She told her son that me come, I'm gonna give her nothing out of my barrel. When me I give you out of my barrel, when you just land a month before me. So what am I giving you something out of my barrel for? What you do with your food then? What you do with your supply? So this is the thing. While it's not gonna work, people, you have to find another solution to the problem. You see what I say? Because even if them have something, every trip when I come, these people are looking for something. Even if you give them money, them still want a pair of shoes or slippers or a piece of clothes. Even if you come and say, here's the money, they're not satisfied. They still expect you to go in your suitcase and take out one dress, give them, and one slippers. Them don't mind if you give them the whole fucking suitcase. So if you don't want a peace of mind with some of these family members, and I'm sure there is a lot of family members that's like that, but you cannot be married and going back to your family house. So I advise you, if you are married in Jamaica and them live in our family house, don't go to Jamaica until you save up enough money to go into a Airbnb and make your husband come there. I don't want to stay there. I want to have a better privacy. I don't want to feel more comfortable. Sometimes when you're in the house, you probably even want to have sex and whatever it is, you're shame to have sex because you feel like them going to hear something. You understand? He had a lot of friends. They would all come right in my room. I treat them good. Because when we go to y'all have 6 and 7. All of them were cool. Big them up. I'm sure them I watch me on Facebook now. Because even one of them called me yesterday. He moved to America now. And him there far down country. Him there, I think he's in Louis where me say me want to go. Louisiana. And he called me if he say hello to me. Me and him was good friend. Actually, I know him first before I met my husband. He used to wash my car or something for me when I used to stop out of that area. So I knew him before I knew my husband, before I met my husband. So that the one with me and my friend for years. I knew him first because he used to wash my car for me when I stopped at the car wash. You understand? So I am saying too, you people know what I'm talking about. You Jamaican ladies. You don't know sound not comfortable. Especially when you live in a house with sisters and brother. You understand? It's very uncomfortable, whether them big or small. You don't even have no privacy. You're in the room, then come in there, chat, or sit down and chat. You understand? You have much visitor come sit down off in a veranda. You want to do something, feel like you want to do nothing. You can't, it's too much. You want to go somewhere. So when you carry me go, where you going? You want to go somewhere, the husband, mama want to go, brother want to go, disappointing. Then you don't want to say no. Then come in a car, then go. You go. So you and him supposed to go somewhere, and you can't get to go. So now if you get a Airbnb rent. So if you go down for a month and you want a little privacy, rent a Airbnb. So don't go until you have the money for rent a Airbnb. Unless you have some good family. You understand? Unless you live on the other side of the house. But not live in our house where the bedroom and the living room and is close by. Unless them over one side and you over the other side, then you take a chance. But you don't know when I go to say, you don't want to go through them sort of something there. You don't really want to go through them sort of something there. You don't really, in a whole age, yeah. You don't really and truly want to go into a house with them woman in there, everybody. You tell me. Me ain't that shit. I've been there and done that. You understand? I've been there and done that. That will never happen to me. Would I never meet a man? You can't make your mother house. I just will visit. Not one last night I sleep in there. Not when me experience with my second husband. You see what I say? Not what I experienced with my second husband. It wasn't pretty. The woman used Obi and take my husband from me. You see how I come back up on me and if it talk, they won't even give me the phone call. Because them control the magic jack. I pay cussing. I accept me not dip up underneath them and tell them say them I'll be a worker. It wasn't pretty. It wasn't pretty between me and them. It was one piece of rasp for Facebook between me and them and stuff. Yeah. You see me have a cousin at Jamaica too. We don't call her not a real cousin, but me and her grew up together as best friend at Jamaica. She stabbed me in the back. Because one time she have one man and the man kick her out. And she know them. She went over to my ex-husband yard before me and even divorced and tell them everything when me and her used to talk about. And people see them and him. So me I tell us, be careful of people who call best friends. So in a little time, woman stabbed me in the ass back. Me don't have no luck with woman. That's why I could have never near pussy. I tell you. I'm telling you. I don't have no luck with woman. They don't stop stabbing me in the back. Them no stop stab me in the back. Whether strangers or no stranger. Them no stop stab me in the back. Me said this like me and somebody was so close. And my big sister was jealous one time. Me and her grew up together in the sense like not really grew up. She was living in a country for Aunt Vi because it was Aunt Vi husband, common law husband, granddaughter. And her mother dead. So Aunt Vi kind of raised her a little bit too. She left her girl people in my town and me and her was growing. Me and her become good friend over the years. When me got Jamaica, me go up a fair, I go stay. Also back in the days, we go all over town. If me I carry down one suitcase of clothes fair. If me in the red dress, she have the blue. Yes, me dear. I saw me treat her. Till one of my sister said, my sister get upset. Then how she get too much sitting because I threw me and her go out, you know. Threw me and her go to a club and all over the place at Kingston and all over. And she pay for some of them too because she did marry to a rich man. You understand? But me don't care on stuff. If me have a yellow clothes, she have on the blue. I mean, as some me and I was very tight. As she end up stabbing me in the ass, but ma. Yes. When me I talk to her over the phone, she depend okay. That time me never know so she depend phone with people. When me shock when me and my husband attack somebody that same thing, she tell him back everything. When her man kick her out of the house, me say she was even staying over the for them house. Till me and the husband of course me say woman never be like her. She not go a party, she not go out. I'm like, what the hell? Me I tell her, no, sir. Me had a friend that tell me, say, oh, you know, call me. See them sit down. See, she pass by and come and they had them barbecue. She sit down in the back of the car and him sit down beside her. Them near dinner, nothing, you know, me I tell you. And I miss mercy. This is crazy. Yeah, me I tell you. Me I tell you, be careful. Be careful of some woman friend not get married. Be careful, and all of them you see where I jump up and I go and they're not happy for no. They're not happy for no. I'm telling you. Some of them are jump up. Oh, I want to be bridesmaid. I want to be bridesmaid and I want to be this and I want to be that. And no, and all of them deserve to be bridesmaid. If they wasn't being there for you during the year and call you and do certain things and up and down all over the place with you, or even your worst day, you call them and can't talk to them. And them not supposed to be bridesmaid. You have to pick real people. You see, if you get married right now, up your whole people are going to be on top right beside of me. Me not ask you. And I noticed nowadays when a lot of una get married, una don't pick out una people them that been there through thick and thin. Una go for all of una pretty nieces them. Pay maga people. And I know a friend in New York where she and her best friend not speaking because of that. The two of them thick and thin like what? And she get married. She got married. And she picked pure skinny people put in her wedding. I didn't put her. And it was her best friend. And because of that, the two of them no longer speak. And she ended up not going to the wedding. She never put her in there. She picked pure maga people to talk with her. But her friend have on some weight. A member says her best friend. You see if me if you get married now, you see the people who have been there for me in my trying days, and them people that stand beside me upon the altar. Not my little nice sexy niece them. No. Them not call me and say hello to me. Them not call me and say, Auntie, how you doing? So what them a stand beside me for altar for? Anybody will stand upside me and sign it and having a paper. It's all of my friend. Whether them are 80-year-old, 90 or 100, they will be the one walking right down beside me. Anybody who has been there for me in my trying days and call me every day and check up on me, and them the people there would be taking part in my wedding. Not my niece, not my hot niece them, or not the hot nobody. Real people. Wow, that is wonderful. That is wonderful. 51 years. Me used to have one friend too. Me and I was friends for all my life. Even when I was in Jamaica, I used to beat up people for her in a community. And me and her tight like a sister. I thought we would have never talk. Me and her upon phone through our breakups, our marriages, our bad treatments and everything while I had my husband. And she going to the issue all 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. People change. Some people in a lifetime.
Remember, lovelies, to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel.